Welcome to our students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, life process. Life process. In this chapter we discuss some topics. Topics to be covered. Number first, introduction. First topic is introduction. Second, what is life process? Second, what is life process? Life process. And third one, nutrition. In nutrition, we discuss mode of nutrition, nutrition in plants, nutrition in animals, nutrition in amoeba. In this topic, nutrition, we discuss mode of nutrition, like that autotrophous or heterotrophous. Auto means those organisms who made own food. Hetero means depend on other living organisms. Second, we discuss nutrition of plant. Nutrition of plants. Fourth one, nutrition in amoeba. Third, amoeba. Fourth, nutrition in human being. Next, after nutrition, we discuss respiration. Respiration we discuss in human and plants. We discuss respiration in human and plants. After respiration, we discuss excretions in plant and human beings. Excretions in plants and human. All these topics we cleared in this video. First of all, we start introduction of life process. What is life process? Life process are process undergoing in living organism to sustain life. Example, reproduction, excretion, respiration, even growth. If we talk respiration, then respiration is most important process in our life. Without respiration, we can't live. Excretions also most important process in living organisms. Without excretion, human are also not survive. Human are also not survive. If we talk about reproduction, reproduction is also most important point. Life process. Students, life is all around us. अपने जो हैं वो लाइफ से क्या हुए हैं, घिरे हुए हैं. लाइफ ऑल अराउंड अस. ह्यूमन बीइंग हैव अ लाइफ. Birds have a life. Insect have a life. Even aquatic animal have a life. Even plants have a life. So we say life all around us. Now we talk about alive. Alive mean जिंदा, जीवित. इन हिंदी के भैया क्या बोलते हैं इनको, जिंदा या जीवित. और इन मोस्ट सिंपल टर्म alive mean having life. In simple terms, all plants and animals are also living things. जितने भी प्लांट है, जितने भी एनिमल है, वो सारे क्या है, लिविंग थिंग्स है. सारे क्या है, लिविंग थिंग्स है. If we talk about living things, if we talk about living things, then we say those things which are alive. Those things which are alive. All are living things. Next, we talk about living things moment. All living things move by themselves without any external help. आपने देखते हैं कि जितनी भी लिविंग थिंग्स है वो बिना किसी हेल्प के क्या करती हैं, मूवमेंट करती हैं, मूवमेंट शो करती हैं. All living things move themselves without any external help. बिना किसी हेल्प की वो क्या करती हैं, मूवमेंट करती हैं लिविंग थिंग्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ह्यूमन बींग्स मूव बाय बॉडी पार्ट्स, एनिमल्स मूव बाय ओवन बॉडी पार्ट्स, एंड ए बर्ड मूव. When it fly in sky, एक बर्ड भी मूवमेंट करता है जब वो आकाश में उड़ रहा है. A frog also move when he jump in pond, or etc. Examples are living things, movement. If we talk about non-living things, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स आर डोंट मूव. किसी भी प्रकार की मूवमेंट शो नहीं करेंगे. व्हाई? नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स आर डेड. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट प्लांट आर ऑल्सो शो मूवमेंट. प्लांट्स आर ऑल्सो शो movement. In next lecture we talk about plants movement and nutrition. होप सो आप सबको समझ में आया होगा। थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे।